Welcome back to the channel, and we have an install for you today. For many individuals in the society that we live in today, putting anything on your vehicles and not being able to secure it is a big issue. That's the case for me, and another reason why that case is for me is anything on this vehicle that gets attached to this vehicle has to be locked down. And the reason why that is because I work here. And we have such a thing called tool control and key control that's managed by the chief of security, hence the word security. I have to go out here and I have to find the perfect products that's going to function, it's going to look good on the truck. It's got to look good on the truck. So if you got a shovel or an axe on your truck, I have the perfect thing for you. It's called the shovel lock from Bomber Products, and this attaches to the back of your high lift mount jack. Stay tuned with me while we get this installed. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this part and we're going to take the bottom part on. And we're going to put it through here. And it's just that easy. It goes on right here from the back, as you can see, and you twist it on right here at this point. Let's get the other one installed. Right here. There we go. It's turning. Well, unfortunately, my phone overheated and I don't know how much footage I have. But they're all installed. Okay, so we removed the roto packs and got those cleared out of the way. We removed the high lift jack to get the other mount back here. Just like this one is back here as well. Screwed them down and got them comparable to where it was on, actually on the handle. And open these up and then turn them and tighten them back down, squeezing on the handle. I like using these bolt locks that use your truck key and boom on everything. That way I have one key on all my locks on all my equipment. The best part is that you can run a lock on these and lock them down. Just like that, and they're locked down. So if anybody wants to go through all the pain of trying to drill this lock out and then remove these and then get this one off and have to unbolt the high lift jack to get to this one and then go through the locks just to get my shovel, well, they're gonna have to work for it. So that's it. Bomber Products. If you want to lock your stuff up, here's the way to do it. Just look at that. Ain't nobody getting my stuff. So along with this, I got this. And I'm gonna need to lock that up too. So when I get the extra cash, I'm gonna buy another pair of these, and so I can hook those up and have these pointed up and holding the axe, so I can have both my shovel and axe on my vehicle at all times, locked up and secure, and not have to worry about it. Yep, there she is, all closed up, locked up. I may have to go ahead and turn this crazy beaver tool around. All right, that's better. Got it all flipped around, and it's still locked, mounted, and secured.